Anyway, I don't know if this is if I'm getting this on video, but lots of boats over there. Marina, pretty cool. Probably you can only see the trees now on that side, but wait till we get up top. There's another biker, another fellow biker. I've ridden this on my 650. There used to be a stump over there. Yeah, it was over there. I put my GoPro down that stump and drove by the camera, got a side-by shot, which I may throw in here too if I can find it. Alright, so right up here is the entrance for my favorite spot, and from the looks of things, it's going to be kind of crowded. Oh, cool. Corvette. There's a few people up here. Not too bad. I'll park this in the shade right here. All right, folks, here we are. Here we are. This is the shot we came for. This is the shot we came for, folks. Let's see if we can get over here. Got the boats out today. Stingray. Nice. He's got his little kid in the car with him. That's cool. Check these out. What is this for? Oh, cute. People put their locks on here and put their name on them. I did not know that was a thing. They must have started that recently. Yeah, there's 24. Huh. Well, let's come up here and do that sometime. Or I'll have to bring the fam up here. Anyway, this is it, man. Norris Lake, Norris Dam, Clinch River. If you're not familiar with it, there it is. Beautiful. Beautiful ride.
I appreciate it.
It's a pretty day for it, ain't it?
Oh, yeah. I took it out yesterday. It about killed me. This point, the second I took it out, I was like, ah.
Is he enjoying it?
He loves it. That's the reason why we're taking it.
Doing good. Pretty day for a ride, ain't it? You like this thing? Yeah, I haven't been up here in a minute to the Clinch. Normally I ride up here to the dam, you know, on a pretty day, but it's been raining so much I hadn't had time. So I know what you're talking about. I've never been to it, but I'm going to go this year. It's next month, and it's in Townsend.
Yeah.
Yeah.
God almighty, they ruined it ever fucking
Oh, boy. All right. I got stuck talking to the guy who had that Can-Am. I didn't want to keep talking to him, but I didn't want to be rude. I'm gonna splice in old footage from my 650 in with this video too, so get both. Anyway, don't mean to ramble. Catch you in the next one. Peace.